Hello everyone, welcome back to College Dunia's YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about GATE Eligibility 2024, document required, academic qualification and more. IISc Bangalore will release the GATE 2024 eligibility criteria online on the official website. Candidates will be able to check the eligibility criteria of GATE 2024 to know the age limit, academic qualification, nationality and more. It is important for candidates to meet the GATE eligibility criteria in order to appear for the graduate aptitude test in engineering and be declared qualified in the exam. The GATE application form process will start tentatively in August 2024. Let's check the GATE 2024 eligibility criteria. Candidates residing in India or out of the country are eligible to sit for GATE 2023 and the academic qualification is to currently in the third year or higher year grade or already completed. There is no maximum age limit to appear in the test. Candidates of any age can apply for the entrance exam. This entrance test is held only once a year and candidates can appear in this exam as many times as possible. Let's check what are the documents required for GATE 2024 eligibility criteria. Degree certificate, provisional degree certificate, course completion certificate, membership certificate as issued by the designated authorities. Provisional certificate letter as issued by the head of the institute, dean, registrar, head of the department or a copy of the marks card for section A of AMI, etc. Person with disabilities category candidate will be required to upload a PWD certificate issued by a recognized authority. Upload a copy of any of the mark sheet of the final year issued from the institute where he or she will pursue their qualifying examination. SC or ST category candidate will have to upload a valid document proof to avail a concession in the application fee. Certificate issued by authorized official will only be considered for concession. Dyslexia candidates will be required to submit a certificate stating the same issued by the authorities in order to get the services of a scribe. Let's check the academic qualification eligibility criteria. For BE, BTech, BPharm student, qualifying degree or examination are bachelor degree in engineering or technology, 4 year after 10+2 or 3 year after BSc or diploma in engineering or technology. Currently in the third year or higher grade or already completed. Expected year of completion is 2025. For B architecture students, qualifying degree and examination are bachelor degree of architecture 5-year course, naval architecture 4-year course or planning 4-year course. Currently in the third year or higher grade or already completed. The expected year of completion is 2026 for the 5-year program, 2025 for the 4-year program. For the BSc research students, the qualifying degree examination are bachelor degree in science, post diploma or 4 year after 10+2. Currently in the third year or higher grade or already completed. The expected year of completion is 2025. For the Pharma D after 10+2, the qualifying degree or examination are 6-year degree program consisting of internship or residency training during third year onwards. Currently in the third year, 4th, 5th, 6th year or already completed. And the expected year of completion is 2027. For MBBS, the qualifying degree or examination degree holders of MBBS and those who are in 5th, 6th, 7th semester or higher semester of such program, 5th, 6th, 7th or higher semester or already completed, the expected year of completion is 2025. For the MSc, MA, MCA or its equivalent, the qualifying degree examination are master degree in any branch of arts, science, mathematics, statistics, computer application or its equivalent. Currently in the first year or higher or already completed. The expected year of completion is 2025. For integrated ME and MTech post BSc, the qualifying degree or examination are post BSc integrated master's degree programs in engineering or technology, 4-year program. The currently in the first, second, third, fourth year or already completed and the expected year of completion is 2027. integrated ME, MTech or dual degree after diploma or 10+2. The qualifying degree or examination are integrated master degree program or dual degree program in engineering or technology 5-year program currently in the 3rd, 4th, 5th year or already completed. The expected year of completion is 2026. For the BSc, BA, BCom, the qualifying degree or examination are bachelor degree in any branch of science, arts, commerce, 3 years of program. The currently in the 3rd year or higher or already completed, and the expected year of completion is 2023. For integrated MSc, integrated BS, MS, the qualifying degree or examination are integrated MSc or 5-year, integrated BS, MS program. Currently in the 3rd year or higher or already completed, and the expected year of completion is 2026. Degree from Professional Society examination equivalent to BE, BTech, B Architecture. The qualifying degree or examination BE, BTech, B Architecture equivalent examinations of professional societies recognized by MOE, UPSC, AICTE. Completed Section A or equivalent of such professional courses. Let's check the GATE eligibility criteria 2024 for MTech courses. GATE qualified candidates will be offered admission in MTech courses at different IITs, NITs, IIITs and some CFTIs. There will be no separate counseling process for GATE. Instead, candidate will have to apply separately for different counseling process. For admission in MTech courses in IIT, candidate will have to complete GATE 2024 registration through COAP, which will be carried out separately. Candidates seeking admission in NITs, IIITs and some CFTIs will have to apply through centralized counseling for MTech 2024. Let's check the certificate required for GATE 2024 eligibility criteria. The applicants will have to submit the degree certificate, provisional degree as issued by the recognized authorities. The candidate must be in final year, then he or she has to upload their provisional certificate issued by the head of the institute, dean, registrar, head of department. They can also submit a copy of the mark sheet for Section A of AMIE, etc. Person with disabilities section candidate have to upload a PWD certificate allotted by a recognized university. What if a candidate is pursuing a qualifying degree from another country? Candidates must have completed or are in the final year of their bachelor's degree in engineering technology. Duration of the course should be at least 4 years. Candidates must have completed or are in the final year of their postgraduate degree in any relevant subjects in science. Duration of the course should be at least 2 years. To know more details, you can visit our website and also leave a comment if you have any specific questions. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel.